Welcome back, driver. In this video, we'll be exploring the magnificent world of Omole, featuring his luxurious property, company, and stunning collection of cars. Emeka Okonwo, popularly known as Omole, was born on February 8, 1981. He is a Nigerian billionaire, investor, entrepreneur, and philanthropist known for his extensive business ventures. He is the CEO of 5-Star Oil and Gas Company and MA Cargo Nigeria Limited, a shipping company. Omole also owns the 5-Star Music record label, which launched his brother KC Music career. Here are some of his luxurious properties. Rolls-Royce Phantom 7. Prodigious power is provided by a second 563 horsepower twin-turbo V8 with an 8-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive. The current worth of this car is $450,000, which is about 350 million in naira. Despite his current wealth, Omole grew up in the impoverished Ajegunle area of Lagos and faced significant hardship, including homelessness. He gained prominence through his generosity and philanthropic efforts, often surprising staff and others with lavish gifts. Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. It has the iconic suicide door and a starlight headliner that lighting up the interior when it gets dark. Power comes exclusive from a twin-turbocharged 6.7-liter V12 engine. The current worth is $600,000, which is about 840 million in naira. He is the owner of the 5-Star Oil and Gas. He also has the chain of businesses outside of Nigeria too. Armored Cadillac Escalade. The bulletproof Cadillac Escalade is protected against 7.6mm lead core, 5.56 by 45 and M80 ball rounds, as well as 2D M51 and grenades. The current worth is $500,000, which is about 700 million in naira. Mansion in their hometown in Ulu, Anambra State. He built the mansion with his brother KC in their hometown, Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. The Toyota Land Cruiser Prado is only available with a 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine and a 5-speed TC transmission. This engine makes 121 PS of power at a 3,400 RPM and 410 Nm of torque at 1,006 RPM. The current worth is $95,000, which is about 133 million in naira. He is the CEO of 5-Star Music. Mercedes Sprinter VIP. The Sprinter offers one customer the choice of two turbo diesel powertrain. The standard engine is a 2.1-liter 4-cylinder that produces 161 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. The current worth is $45,000, which is about 233 million in naira. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Mercedes-Benz S-Class, typically the S580 model, boasts a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine with 496 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, and all-wheel drive with 9-speed automatic transmission. The current worth is $250,000, which is about 350 million in naira. MA Cargos Limited. It is into oil and gas, and MA Cargos Nigeria Limited, formerly called Borussia Nigeria Limited. Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, a 577 horsepower twin-turbo third V8 engine, gives the G63 incredible performance, and its Porsche cabin offers all the modern amenities we have come to expect from a top-spec Mercedes. The current worth is $350,000, which is about 480 million in naira. He is one of the top shareholders in the Cubana group of companies. Mercedes-Benz Maybach 62S. This car comes with a 6.0-liter V12 engine with twin liquid-to-air intercooled turbochargers. The current worth is $465,000, which is about 651 million in naira. Imoni house is Omole. Imone's mansion has a swimming pool, a gym, and has 3 floors with several ensuite bedrooms. The walls of the house are painted white, while 2 solid horizontal lines in a shade of wine. The side of the house reveals a confident touch of orange, while the entire roofing is with black slits. Imone's Omole estate mansion is valued at $428,600, which is about 600 million in naira. Armored Lexus LX570. It combines the brute strength of a massive V8 5.7-liter engine with the grace of a 6-speed sequential shift transmission, providing 393 horsepower. The current worth is $250,000, which is about 350 million in naira. E-money net worth is said to be $60 million, which is about 84 billion in naira. Stay tuned for more exclusive thoughts and insights into the life of the